guys, how y'all doing today? Today's simple and easy recipe is honey sriracha chicken wings. It's pot roasted. It's a simple and easy way of cooking them because there's not too much of mess after I'm done, okay? These wings are spicy, sweet, and absolutely delicious. I separate the drummet from the flats and I removed the tips, pat dry with paper towel after I had finished washing them with lemon salt and vinegar and water. Okay, so I'm adding some lemon pepper seasoning along with some ginger powder. Here I'm adding some paprika. I'm also adding some cumin seeds, some onion powder, ginger powder, black pepper, some teriyaki marinade sauce, and guys, I'm going to be listing every details below. You can't forget to add some sugar into this, okay, because it's going to help to bring back that little sweetness. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to just go in and make sure that I massage the seasonings well onto every piece of wings, and then I'm going to set them aside and let them sit for 20 to 25 minutes. This is such a simple, easy, and quick way of doing our chicken wings. So let's head right over to the stove. I love to use this pan, guys. It holds the heat, all right? If you notice, I'm not putting any oil into this pan. I'm just going to place my chicken wings into the pan, just like this, and you're going to see the magic. We don't want to fry a few chicken wings, guys. We don't want all of that fat. These wings already have so much oil into them, a lot of fat. All right, you don't want to light the oven also just to put a few wings in there. So this is just so simple, easy, quick to do. Place them in there, cover them, and let them cook over high heat for 5 long minutes. Now you can see that the fat from the chicken wings has been melted. There's a lot of oil in the pan. Now I'm going to flip them. Flip them right over. Chicken wings do not take long to cook. So we're going to flip them and then we're going to cover them again and let them cook again for another 5 minutes on the other side. While that is cooking, we're going to head right over to making our sauce. Simple ingredients, quick. I'm adding 1 cup of orange juice. You can also use pineapple juice if you want. Here I'm going to add like 6 tablespoons of honey. If you don't have honey, guys, that's all right. Put some sugar, okay? Just to bring back that sweet kind of flavor. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of sriracha sauce, guys. This sauce is hot. If you don't like anything that is too spicy, then you can leave this out. I love spicy food, so I'm going to go for this, all right? Mix it well, making sure that everything is well combined. Just like this. Now I'm going to head right over to the stove, check my chicken wings again, and we want to flip them one more time. Alright, so after I'm done flipping them, I'm going to pour my sauce right over the top of these wings. And then I'm going to just cover the pot and let it cook again for another 5 minutes. It is so simple, it is so quick, it is so easy to make. Not too much of stress having to face the oven. After 5 minutes, we're going to flip them again one more time. And at this time, guys, I'm telling you, my kitchen is burst with flavor, okay? So I'm just gonna flip them like this. Then I'll cover the pot again, and at this time I'm going to let it cook for just about 2 to 3 minutes. Because as you can see that the liquid has been starting to evaporate a whole lot there. So let's check it now. Alright, so as you can see, our chicken wings are done. But what I'm gonna do is just flip them one more time. Alright, it's okay. Don't think about all the flipping that we're doing. It's just good. What I'm doing here is just turning them over so that they can hold that dark brown sauce onto them. And then I think I want a little bit more spice in here, so I'm going to add some more of the sriracha sauce and then just toss them around like this. And they are all done. It's just so simple, guys. Not too much of mess. And I hope that you like this recipe. Give it a try. Leave me a comment and let me know how it turned out. All right? So here you have it. A piece for me and a piece for you guys. Do enjoy. Don't you forget to subscribe. Press that notification bell. Give my video a thumbs up and check the description box below. All details will be there. Enjoy. See you soon.